Here's another TWS earphone reviews, and this is from Edifier, the Edifier X3s. It's an upgraded version of their most sellable TWS, the Edifier X3, which now offer a longer battery life, newer chipset like Bluetooth 5.2s and Qualcomm QCC3040 that support Qualcomm aptX HD. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 47. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Let's have a quick look at the Edifier X3s. Edifier has redesigned the case to a pebble clamshell with a huge ass Edifier logo on the lid. It uses matte finishes which are not fingerprint magnet. USB-C port for charging on the back with a single LED next to it. As expected from a budget TWS, the build isn't the best here with a thin and flimsy lid cover. The earbud remains the same size as their predecessor but offer an extra 2 hours of juice. It comes with 4 sizes of ear tips, making sure there's one that is snug fit for you. The touch control of the earbud now added volume control, which is handy where we don't have to take out our phone to adjust the volume. Single tap on the left or right is to play or pause, holding right to increase volume, whereas the left to decrease the volume. Double tap on the right to skip a song, double tap on the left is to return to the previous song. Triple tap on the right is to summon the voice assistance, whereas the left is to activate or deactivate the game mode. The input is pretty responsive and quick. Coming to sound quality, they are good for their price. If you are using Qualcomm power smartphone, you would beneficial from the Qualcomm aptX sound codecs. If not, no worry, you will switch to a more common SBC codec. I tested on my Samsung Galaxy Fold, which run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. The Edifier X3s give a pretty engaging and offer an enjoyable bass to whichever genre I'm listening to. It doesn't lean towards trebles and has a not so wide sound stage. Vocal and instrument separations are just okay. Overall, the Edifier X3s is one punchy and can go very loud earbuds if that's what you are into. With the Qualcomm CVC noise cancelling, voice calls are clear and significantly filter out ambient noise produced around it. Here's a mic test with aircon blowing towards me and a simulated loud street noise on my desktop behind me. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Personally, I don't game, but it does have a gaming mode where it reduces latency in exchange with poorer sound quality. This is something to look forward to for casual mobile gamers. One of the improvements over the Edifier X3 is the battery life. The Edifier X3s deliver up to 8 hours of playtimes on a single charge, which is great thanks to the lower power consumption Bluetooth 5.2. The case can still recharge the earbud twice, making it 28 hours of playtimes in total. The Edifier X3s is priced at Rm129 ringgit, and during flash sales you can get it for as low as 79 ringgit. At this price point, there aren't many true wireless earbuds that offer such long stamina battery life and Bluetooth 5.2 with support of Qualcomm aptX HD. That's all from me on the Edifier X3s. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.